Welcome to the light home review for the Eurofans Bel Air stroke Las Vegas ceiling fan. Now the box measures 48 by 26 by 28 centimetres and weighs approximately 7 kilograms with all the packaging should you wish to ship it abroad. The Bel Air is a 42-inch ceiling fan, which means it's perfect for all rooms in the home from bedrooms to conservatories, and currently comes available in 3 colours. It's white, brushed nickel and polished brass. There is a multitude of blade option colours as well, which can be swapped within the range. So if you like the white blades on the white fan, you can have that swapped to the brushed nickel, and so on and so forth. Being a Eurofans fan, you can expect it to have a 5-year motor manufacturer's warranty, though you'd expect it to last a lot longer than that. And fitted on your ceiling, it's going to weigh about 7 kilograms, which puts it in the moderate range of weight for a ceiling fan. Now the Bel Air stroke Las Vegas is a dual mount fan, which means it can be fitted with or without the rod that comes in the box. If you're fitting without the rod, you can expect it to be 18 centimetres from ceiling to blades and 37 centimetres overall, top to bottom. And if you fit with the rod, 25 centimetres from ceiling to blades and 44 centimetres overall. If you buy the fan as the Bel Air, it doesn't come with a remote control. If you buy it as our Las Vegas option, it comes with a remote control, which is more cost effective. So what we'll do, we'll open it up, we'll take a little look at it, show you the parts, and we'll show you it working. As with all ceiling fans, snip the tape on the box, like so, and be careful when you put the middle, because the blades will always sit underneath that centre part and you don't want to catch them with your knife. And the first thing we're going to find in the box, manufacturer's instructions. They're always thorough by Eurofans and Fantasia, but if you want a digital copy, you can request one on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/lighthome. Blade pack. Now your blades will always come cellophaned and will always come with a piece of card as well to protect in case you do nick. And on the Bel Air, they're double-sided. So one side we have the dark oak colour, the other side we have the light oak colour. Quite a lot of blades are like that, but as explained, you can swap within the range. So if you want to change colour of blades from Bel Air to Bel Air, not a problem, just request that when you place your order. Blade carriers. Now, Bel Air stroke Las Vegas is a 5-bladed ceiling fan, so you get 5 blade holders, and they're the arms that basically attach to the motor, and the blades attach round the arms. Standard as Bel Air comes with a small 6-inch drop rod, already on its ball joint with split pin attached. You can use that or not. As explained, it's dual mount, so you don't need to use that if you don't want to. If you have a low ceiling, fit without. If you need a little bit of a length of drop, go with the drop rod. Self-balancing kit. Now it's unusual to have a wobble on a ceiling fan, but if you have one, you can use this kit to rectify it. And that pack will also hold the pull cords, screws, all the bolts you'd need to fit the actual fan. Decorative boss cover, which you would use if you were using the drop rod. Obviously, if you're not using the drop rod, you wouldn't use that, but that slides down the rod, sits on top of the motor to keep it looking attractive. Now, as this is the Las Vegas version of the Bel Air, you also get a 12-inch rod as well. It comes with its own ball joint. You use the split pin off the smaller rod, so you've got a choice of rods there. So that's the 12-inch version. With the top tray removed and looking in the bottom of the box, first thing you'll see is a remote control system. Now, if you buy the Bel Air just as the Bel Air fan, it doesn't come with a remote control. It's pull cord operated. If you buy it as a Las Vegas, which is an exclusive to Light Home, then you get a remote control, full instructions, receiver unit and handset. Now the remote will operate the 3 speeds of the fan, turn it on and off, and will also control the light kit. So you turn the light on, turn the light off, you can dim the light up and down as well with the handset. The receiver unit gets fitted during installation of the fan, and there's a full set of instructions there to fit into the fan. There is a separate video on fitting a remote control receiver unit on our YouTube channel, and you can always give us a call if you want any advice. Belmont shades. Now these are proper glass shades. There's 3 of them because there's 3 lights on the actual fan itself. They're made of glass. They are breakable. If your fan turns up and it's got a broken shade, then just give us a telephone call. Our telephone number is 024 767 17043, and we'll always replace one. And if you break one in a few years' time, if you have an accident, something hits the fan on the ceiling, we have those as spares. They've been around for absolutely years, and they'll be around for years to come. So if you require one, they're not very expensive, just give us a call, we'll sort that out for you. Next major part, the motor housing itself. Now, that is the Bel Air motor housing. It has a 3-light kit on it, pre-installed, so you don't have to go to the hassle of fitting that yourself. And the shades would fit on here. They simply tighten with these little screws to hold them in place. Currently takes a small Edison screw cap candle, which if you're using the pull cords, you're fine to put standard LED candles in, it's not a problem. If you're using the remote control system, you can use dimmable LED candles, but make sure that they're good quality dimmable LED candles. Don't buy cheap. If you're gonna spend the money on buying a decent ceiling fan, buy a decent LED dimmable bulb as well, because the poor quality ones can damage the unit. As we look on the side, we can see there is a reverse switch. The Bel Air stroke Las Vegas can be set into reverse in the winter time, and what that will do is recirculate hot air trapped at ceiling level, blow it down to warm the room slightly. And on the top is the connection for the drop rod. Now, as I say, you don't have to use that drop rod. What we actually get in the box is the actual connection to the ceiling, and that will fit actually directly onto the fan, flush, taking away the drop rod, if that's how you want to fit. Inside there is the fixing bracket for the fan, but you can fit your drop rod, be it the 6-inch or the 12-inch version, onto there, and your little boss cover goes down the rod and makes it attractive as well. So that is, it's obviously the brushed nickel version. That is the Bel Air ceiling fan. You can either buy it without the remote control and the 12-inch rod, and it's literally a Bel Air, or you can buy it with the remote control and the longer rod, and it's our Las Vegas version. But it's a quality unit. We sell an awful lot of them. It's durable, and it will last a long time. And it also is dynamic in terms of it will fit within a conservatory on a long drop rod, and it will look just as good in the bedroom, flush to the ceiling above a bed. So it ticks a lot of boxes. It's very, very popular. As I say, it comes in brushed nickel, white or polished brass. It's a good unit. So I hope this video has been useful. If it has, then please like it for us. Join our YouTube channel if you want to. Thank you for watching the video.